Hi everyone, if you have to crack your back all day just to feel normal, that's a red flag. That popping sound doesn't mean something went back into place. Most of the time, it's just gas releasing from the actual joint. It can create temporary relief, but if you constantly feel the need to crack your back or even your neck, that usually points to instability, stiffness, or even compensation somewhere else in your system. Do you crack your back or neck because it helps? Because it feels like you have to? Comment below, helps or have to. This is Dr. Pete Peduzzi here at the American Back Centers here in Wexford. Subscribe to our page and like for more tips like this.